Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by turning on Assistive Touch because this is the only built-in way to get a visible indicator for taps. Open Settings, tap Accessibility, then Touch, then Assistive Touch. Once on, the floating control appears. Make sure to assign single tap or a custom action so the control responds like a finger. This creates a persistent on-screen element you can position. Do this before recording, because showing touches requires that visible control to be active during the entire screen capture. Now configure how you'll use the control. Move the floating button away from important UI. Once placed, practice invoking it so your motions look natural. Open Control Center and start screen recording. Make sure Do Not Disturb is on to avoid interruptions. During recording, use the Assistive Touch menu or the custom gesture to trigger the visual indicator. Those interactions are what the recording will capture. Once done, stop the recording and review to confirm every tap appears as expected. Finish by reviewing and trimming your clip to remove extra setup. If taps aren't visible, first verify Assistive Touch remained enabled throughout recording. System interruptions or profile changes can disable it. Make sure the floating control wasn't hidden behind other elements, and retry with airplane mode or Do Not Disturb enabled so banners don't obscure the indicator. If problems persist, restart the iPhone and repeat the steps. Restarting often restores the Assistive Touch overlay reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.